Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldman Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Smart 4.2. This one's white. For a motor, it has an electric motor with 80 horsepower and 118 pounds of torque. 15-inch wheels. Smart EQ badging on the side. A dark cloth interior. Tailgate, we've got clean set of floor mats, charger, power windows, steering wheel controls, media display, climate controls, 1-speed automatic transmission. This Smart 4.2 has 1,532 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Smart 4.2, check out feldmanimports.com.